Hello friends, today we are going to do a dry cleaning of this beige golden sari. So I have opened the complete sari. So to start with the steps, we are going to use this Vinita dry cleaning products. We have taken 3 buckets and it has water, half bucket full water. So in the first bucket I'll add 3 cap of acetic acid. This is the main solution of dry cleaning. First bucket 3 cap, then we will add 1 cap in the second bucket, 1 cap in the third bucket. Okay, then we'll add this silky wash to the first bucket only. 1 cap of silky wash in first bucket. It washes your cloth and give a good shine to your sari or whichever material you are using to wash. Then to fix the color, we use this color fix, only 1 cap. And lastly, we will use this stain remover to remove whatever stain is there on your cloth. In this case, we will use it for our sari. So I'll dip the complete sari in first bucket. We have to mix the sari properly. If there are stains, then you can even rub it. You have to keep this sari in this first bucket for 10 minutes. As now we are doing the video, I won't keep it for 10 minutes, but you can keep it. You can see the border is not been shrinked. Usually such kinds of saris, the border gets shrink very quickly. Okay, so now we will move this sari to the second bucket. In second bucket we have added only 1 cap of acetic acid. Now we will keep this sari for 5 minutes in our second bucket, and we will start with this dark pink color golden sari. It has this golden work all over the sari and it's a very dark shade. So usually this dark shades their color in water, and the grace of this sari also reduces. So we will use the same water with the same solution which we have put earlier, and we will dip this whole sari. Slowly we'll mix and turn the sari properly in this water. If there are stains somewhere, you can rub that portion. Even in this sari you can see the border is as it is where it is, it hasn't been shrinked. We will keep it over here for some time, and then we will move this second bucket sari to the third one. Dry cleaning of your clothes is very important. Nowadays, whichever clothes we buy, maximum of them, it's written that we have to do dry cleaning. But giving every cloth to dry cleaning outside is not possible, time wise and money wise. So with this Dragonita dry cleaning product, you can affordably do all your clothes dry cleaning at your home. See, here you can see our washing process is done. 3 buckets. Now you have to directly take this sari and put it for spin. Don't use normal water. So for now, I'll remove this sari from the 3rd bucket and keep it in empty bucket. We'll spin it later. Over here, the pink color sari which was there, it has been now kept for a long time. Now we'll change it to the 2nd. The 2nd and 3rd bucket is there because we have to remove the soap condition. Just to clean it more properly. But we don't have to use normal water. We can keep it for 5 minutes. But now I'll change it to the 3rd bucket. Sari, the border, it has not been shrinked. Good. So over here in the same product we have dry cleaned a 2 complete sari, and we'll remove it and keep it for in this white sari, and we'll do spin later. Now not only that, in the same solution I'll do this dress. I'll do the dry cleaning of this dress. Okay, it's a gown. So I have dipped it in it. Gowns get dirty at the lower portion, so we can just add little bit of stain remover to just remove the stain. Rub it properly, as this is the 3rd cloth which we are doing. So just to remove the stain at the lower end of this dress, I have used stain remover. So you can see it's so affordable that with 1 cap solutions we can dry clean our almost 2 saris and 1 dress. You can see the color is also not been removed from the dress. Now we'll put this in 2nd bucket to clean it more properly. If you want, you can keep it for 5 minutes in this, 5 minutes in the 2nd bucket. And 5 minutes in the 3rd bucket. Now we will do spinning of this whole 3 saris and 2 saris and 1 dress. Pause. We will spin this sari and dress which we have just done the dry cleaning of. So I'll put this dress, this pink color sari and this beige color sari for spinning in the same thing. Now this whole 2 saris and gown will get spin. I have not used any normal water. Just I have removed those saris from the 3 buckets and I have put it directly for spinning. So the same way you can do dry cleaning at your place. Thank you. The saris which we have put for spinning, the spinning process has been complete. So we have just stopped it and okay, see, the spin is done. The sari has been properly spun. There is no shrinking of the sari. The golden color is so nice. It's been almost dried. Here is our golden beige color sari. It has also been spinned properly. Even after mixing this dark and light shade and doing a dry cleaning properly, the color won't get mixed. And the third one is the gown. So all these 3 clothes has been dry cleaned and been spinned. So the same process you can use to dry clean with this Vinita dry cleaning product at your home. Thank you.